welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Addie, and please like and subscribe this video. I have two special guests. The first one is Lily.
Hi.
The second one is Natalie. Okay, so what we're gonna be doing today is going to the fair. Oh, you're okay. Yeah, I have a cat. So this, my sweetest cat,
Has a swan's hat on his tail.
That's why I have a blanket over me so it doesn't hurt him. He slept with me last night.
Just let him go, see what he does. Maybe try to force him to lay him down, and he'll just...
He usually lays down where I lay. So my sweetest cat right here.
Put his legs down.
You're okay.
Put his legs.
Oh, he's laying on me.